Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wednesday. Yeah. I was like, what day is it today? Today is Wednesday. Well, actually today is Tuesday, but you will be seeing this on a Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. Today's video is going to be a quick little review slash makeup tutorial on the Morphe and James Charles palette. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this everywhere. I'm not going to be doing swatches on the palette because I don't know that I believe in swatches anymore. I've been proven wrong a few times by my own account when I do swatches and I'm like, then I try the palette and I'm like, oh. So I am not going to be doing swatches, but I'm sure Google and YouTube is full of swatches if you guys are interested in that. I am just going to be testing out the shadows on my eyes and showing you guys how they work, how they blend, if I like them, if I don't like them, and I'm going to show you how to get this colorful like sunrise look. I don't know what to call it. So I talk too much. If you guys are interested in knowing the tea, is this worth it, is it not, then go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to try out my Kevyn Aucoin concealer as a primer. I've already primed the lids. I haven't used this in such a long time because this concealer is so thick in consistency that it would always like get my under eye super cakey and thick and nasty, but I've been wanting to try it as a primer because it is a little bit sticky. Anyway, we're gonna take the Morphe x James Charles palette, and let me say the packaging on this is just absolutely stunning. This is so beautiful. The black on black is so cute. I don't know what look I'm going for, but I know that I want to try and do something semi-colorful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm first going to take this big tangerine shade, and we're gonna use that as a like the crease color. That color blended out really nicely. I noticed that the more that I blend, the color kind of did go away and it's not as intense, but that's okay because this is actually the shade that I wanted to go in with. So after that, I think I'm gonna pick up this shade right here, like this berry one, and I'm gonna take this Morphe M514 because it is super tapered, and I'm gonna take that into the crease. That is really pigmented. Literally a little bit of this is going to go such a long way. So you guys, my mom is leaving on Sunday, this Sunday, the 2nd of December. Now I'm super bummed out. I'm not ready for her to go home, but I know she has to go back home. She has her husband back home, not my dad, my stepdad. So she's leaving, and we haven't had the chance to film our Q&A. I hope we can film it before she leaves because I really want to film that with her. She's just a little bit nervous because she doesn't speak much much English. And it makes her a little bit nervous, but I hope I can get her out of her like comfort zone and get her to do that video with me. I went ahead and cut the crease off camera because I've done it a million times. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take that yellow shade, that like super vibrant yellow shade, which is this one right here. Ooh, that is pretty pigmented. This definitely is like a neon yellow. It is super bright. Wow, I really like this yellow. I have tons of yellows in different palettes, but I don't think I have a yellow like this. This is super like pigmented and vibrant. Wow. Now I'm going to go back into that burgundy shade and I'm just going to blend that edge. Wow, okay, those colors are blending really nicely together. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this eye, and then we can move on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I want to keep it a little bit more on the vibrant side. So I think I'm going to go in with, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to go in with this blue right here, which is like a, I don't know how to explain that color. I'm just going to take it on a pencil brush and I'm going to run it through the lower lash line. I had to go in with a little bit of that darker blue because that blue alone is not really working. So I did have to mix the darker blue and that blue that I first pointed out, because as I was blending it, it was just kind of like, I don't know, like dusting away. It wasn't sticking onto my eyes or to my skin. Just like that. That looks okay. I am going to have to go back a few times and reinforce that blue, but that pretty much is this look. What I'm going to do now is I am going to pop on some lashes, eyeliner, and I will be back with my final thoughts on this palette. My face is done, you guys. I really like this look. Even though I really like this yellow shade, it was a little bit hard to work with. It wasn't blending right, and then when I would blend it, like the shadow would just kind of go everywhere. I have the same issue with the blue underneath the eyes. It just it really wasn't holding on to like my skin. I have a little patch right here. You can't see it because I try to blend it a little bit better, but it just wasn't blending good. So I don't know about the yellow, even though it's very pretty. I didn't love how it blended, and these blues, they're okay, honestly. For the rest of the colors, this one, I tried this one, I tried this one, I've tried this one, and this one. Those all work really well, so I'm not sure what the issue is with the yellow and the blue. If you guys have heard anything about these specific colors, please let me know in the comment section down below. But other than that, I think it's a really good palette. I think James Charles did a great job at choosing colors and putting them all together. This is a really good palette to have if you love diving into colors. But that is it, you guys. That is today's quick review and makeup tutorial on the James Charles palette. I know that tons of you guys want to see makeup tutorials, so here's the first one and many more to come. Thank you guys for joining me today. I will see you on Friday. Mwah. Bye, you guys.